Virat Kohli coming in to replace Dinesh Karthik, who was given out caught after several replays were shown to the TV umpire.
Nicely cut away. A lot of power, and that's good fielding. No. Again goes through to the boundary. That's powerfully cut by Virat Kohli. It was pushed through by Shakib-ul-Hasan, but there was width on offer. And he spanked it. He slapped it on the offside for 4 more.
Wasn't too far away from the fielder in the deep Islam, but it was hit so powerfully that he just couldn't get his hands and stop it. As that pushes it towards middle and leg quite a bit, misfield.
And this will reach the boundary.
Not what Bangladesh want. They need a lot of commitment. They need every run to be saved at this stage. Tamim Iqbal there again, not keeping his eyes on the ball. In the end, his chase was in vain. Disappointment for the captain, quite naturally.
Realizes the only way he can win is by wickets. That's a really good shot. Punched down the ground for 4, fractionally over pitched. Kohli gets his second boundary of the over, 97 for 2.
Top shot from Virat Kohli to finish the over. Use of the wrists, firm on the front foot to make sure that he had control of the stroke, hitting it past the bowler.
99 for 2. So the 100 comes up.
Good delivery from Shakib, got the outside edge. Kohli just pushing at it. Got some spin there. Not much you can do if you don't have a slip.
Ken cuts really well. Finds the gap as well. Does play that shot nicely. Second time he's put Shakibullah away on the offside and split the field.
Took that from fairly close to the stumps. Wasn't very short, but short enough for Kohli. Big step onto the back foot. Nicely balanced when he hit the shot. Just dragged himself away sufficient.
Punch down the ground. Ashraful after that. Very good effort. Quick outfields this. Ashraful saved a run for his side.
Good effort. Commitment has to be there. The Bangladeshis have to really be on their... The spring has to be in their steps, because on their toes, and Ashraful did well there to hold it back.
Off the pads, I would reckon. Maybe more runs. He's gone for 4 more.
No signal from the umpire that indicates possibly that he got a brush onto the bat before it actually hit the pad and went on its way down to fine leg. Let's have another look at that. Yeah, it's directly off the bat actually. Sound wasn't very crisp, and that's why we were under the impression that it went off the pads. 4 runs.
And that's another half century for Virat Kohli. Applause there from the coach and the rest of the teammates. Second consecutive half century for the young man. It's come at a very good rate as well, 50 or 47 deliveries. Oh, what a shot. What a shot.
Yes, he's a lovely player to watch, isn't he, Virat Kohli? No chance whatsoever for Mohammad Ashraful to stop that one because it was hit with supreme touch and in the gap.
Shafiul will find that the first ball was a little more close to the batsman, so it was hit straight to the field, and now he's given him a little more room around the off stump, and so Kohli able to pierce the fielders there.
Starts with the short ball, gets into a good position, and will get to the boundary in a hurry. Very good shot this from Virat Kohli.
He picks up length quickly, and he's a strong cutter and puller. It's evident from that. He had time to pull it in front of square. This is a very good shot. Nice roll of the wrists as well. Really is growing in confidence.
Four. He's such a fine player, using the depth of the crease to good effect, and also hitting with the full face of the bat.
It's a very good shot, and the kind of power he gets when playing this. Does pack a punch. Stands up nice and tall and hits it on top of the bounce. Placement is superb.
Nicely played. Nicely played. Look at the way he rolled his wrists over it to make sure that the ball was hit along the ground.
Yeah, what a lovely shot this is from Virat Kohli. Kept it down and bisecting the fielder. There are two persons at the deep. Square leg, a lot squarer, and there is a fine leg, but he's also squarer. Right in the middle.
He's gone for the big one. And he's got a boundary. So now India need 3 runs to win. Virat Kohli is 2 runs away from 100. 1 ball left in this over.
Now that's a lovely shot. Good use of the feet, and knowing that the two fielders are quite...
He's gone for a big one, and I think that's it. 100 and a win for India. Well played, young man. And well done, India.
Yeah, absolutely brilliant knock from Virat Kohli, apart from the blemishes that when he offered those chances. Pretty comfortable victory in the end for India. That's how he got his 100 down the pitch. Didn't wait for too long. Put that away for a boundary. Not only getting the 100, but also a win for India.
And Virat Kohli becomes only the 3rd Indian batsman to score 2 one-day 100s before turning 22. Sachin Tendulkar 4, and the man with him, Suresh Raina, got 2 before they turned 22. 102 of 95 deliveries, 11 boundaries. Some excellent strike rate, more than 100.
Sponsored by Idea Cellular Limited, Virat Kohli for his superb 100. Check of $1,000 to be given away by Mr. Pradeep Srivastava, Chief Marketing Officer, Idea Cellular Limited. And the trophy will be handed over by Mr. Mustafa Kamal, FCA Member of Parliament, President, Bangladesh Cricket Board. Virat, well done. You're having a good tournament, aren't you?
Yeah, it's been going well for me, and I hope I can continue in the finals as well.
Well, the first 100 you got was in Kolkata along with Gautam Gambhir, so first 100 has turned out to be good. You feel like getting more and more?
Yeah, I mean, I'm batting well, and I'm playing at number 3. I'm lucky enough to be playing at number 3 with such a batting lineup, and I'm trying to make the most of it, because once I get set inside, I mean, in these conditions with the dew, it's probably easier to bat when you get set. So that's what, like, just go out there and play with a few singles and then get set and then play my shots, and it's coming out well for me.
Well, earlier in your career, you were getting off to stars but not converting them into big ones, but now you're converting those stars into big ones.
Yeah, I mean, it's important for me to, grab the chances I get, because, obviously playing at this level, you need to learn from your mistakes. I've got out a few times in important matches, playing bad shots and playing the ball in the air, so I've learned from that. And I just enjoy playing on the ground now, taking